for today are segways from class 3 to 5 and junior boys and girls. So all the housemaster, you are requested to submit the name list of the students. The judges for segways are Madam Banisana, Madam Namitra, Miss Aiche, Sir Vivekananda. The judges for segways are Madam Banisana, Madam Namitra, Miss Aiche, Sir Vivekananda and Sir Vivekananda. These are the judges for segways. So all the housemaster, you are requested to submit the name list for segways from class 2 to 5 and junior boys and girls, or both boys and girls. And here's announcement, one student cannot participate more than 2 events. All the students are welcome to participate, so one student cannot participate more than 2 items. Today's event we will begin by segways from class 3 to 5 boys and girls, followed by junior boys and girls. So all the housemaster, you are requested to submit the name list for segways for both boys and girls, class 3 to 5, junior boys and girls.
The oath-taking ceremony will begin. All the flag bearers for 4 houses, Kasamba House, Angal House, Second House, Pano House, flag bearers were for heading towards for oath-taking. Our respected chief guest is heading forward for the oath-taking.
Boy.
Whatever I say. We will take part in the annual sports meet, respecting the rules and regulations
desire to participate in a true spirit of workmanship for the honor of our school and for the glory of Amen. Hello, hello.